So I've just finished painting these rather large sash windows, and I'm just left with a little bit of a gap around them which I need to seal, and for that I'm using this Geocel Trademate frame sealant. It's a silicone, it's in white, so it's going to blend in really nicely with the windows. Now I need something that's going to be highly flexible, weatherproof, long lasting, and that has got excellent adhesion. So come on, let's get it on. I've got my smoothing tool, so I'm going to cut the nozzle roughly the same size. That'll do. Let's go. So here's the gap that I need to fill. I've got my soapy water, so water mixed with washing up liquid, and here I've got a mixture of original and lemon. And I'll tell you what, it smells pretty good. So we need this. We need to absolutely soak our smoothing tool, like so. Whoa, got a bit of that up my nose. And here we go. Let's get some of this in. Just talk amongst yourselves while I get this in. La 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 la. It's the one and only DLG. This is going to look solid. There we go. Sun's coming out. Right, make sure this is nice and wet, and then we just gently start pushing that into that gap, and ultimately sealing it. And as you start to go over it and over it, as it squashes, it really does start to look really smooth and fill in all those little gaps. Look at that, I'm loving that. Don't want to be pushing too hard with your smoother. Just a very gentle pressure on it. And that will eventually give you really nice finish. Just come up from the bottom for this bit. Now a lot of people, and people have been doing this kind of thing a long time, would just use their finger. You know, wet the finger, spray some of this on the finger, do that. The problem with that is you get this radius, and it might be all right in some cases, but not in all. But actually using a homemade smoother like this, just out a bit of timber, absolutely perfect. You've got about 5 minutes work time, to be fair. So don't put the sealant in and then go make a cup of tea and then think, oh, I'll smooth it off now. Get it in, get it on, get it done, boss it. This is good for me. The customer's going to be pleased with that. I know that for sure. And it's going to keep the rain out. Check it out. So if you want to get your windows sealed just like this, don't muck about, boss it with Geocel Trademate frame sealant. Nice one, guys. See you on the next video.